Princess Arianna of the shimmering shores of St. John's loved adventures as much as she loved the salty tan of the Newfoundland air. Today, her red shiny dress, the color of a plump partridge berry, swished and sparkled as she explored the rocky coastline near Signal Hill. The tide had just receded, leaving behind a treasure trove of glistening seaweed, smooth stones, and the occasional perfect seashell. Arianna's eyes sparkled brighter than her dress as she searched for a legendary shell, the Whispering Conch. It was said that this shell, when held to your ear, would whisper secrets of the ocean and grant a single wish. Arianna searched and searched, but the Whispering Conch remained elusive. The sun climbed higher in the sky, painting the colorful houses of the Battery in even warmer hues. Feeling a little discouraged, Arianna sat down on a large, moss-covered rock. Just then, she heard a tiny voice. "Oh dear, oh dear. It's stuck." Arianna peered over the edge of the rock and saw a small crab, its shell wedged tightly between two pebbles. Its little claws waved frantically in the air. "Don't worry, little crab," Arianna said, carefully reaching down. But the pebbles were too tight, and her royal fingers couldn't get a good grip. The crab wiggled more desperately. Suddenly, a flash of blue caught Arianna's eye. It was Finn, the fisherman's son, known for his knowledge of the sea and his strong, nimble hands. He was collecting mussels nearby. "Finn!" Arianna called out. "Can you help? This little crab is stuck." Finn hurried over. He knelt down and examined the situation. It's wedged in there pretty good." He tried to wiggle the crab free, but it wouldn't budge. "Maybe if we push the pebbles apart," Arianna suggested. She tried to push one pebble with a small stick she found, while Finn gently tried to pull the crab. But the pebbles were stubborn. They wouldn't move. Then, Maya, who helped her grandmother gather sea glass on the beach, strolled by with her little pail clinking softly. "What's wrong?" she asked, noticing their efforts. Arianna explained about the trapped crab and the stubborn pebbles. Maya looked thoughtfully at the scene. "Maybe we need to lift the rock a tiny bit," she suggested. "Then the pebbles might loosen." The rock was heavy, but Finn was strong. He positioned himself on one side, and Maya on the other. "Ready?" Finn asked. 1, 2, 3, heave. With a grunt, they managed to lift the edge of the rock just a fraction. Arianna quickly poked the stick at the pebbles, and this time, one of them shifted. Finn gently pulled again, and with a soft plink, the little crab was free. The crab scuttled sideways, then turned and waved a grateful claw at the three children before disappearing into a crack in the rocks. Arianna, Finn, and Maya looked at each other and smiled. They had done it. "We made a good team," Finn said, wiping his brow. "Yes," Arianna agreed, her red dress shimmering in the sunlight. "I couldn't have done it alone. Your strength, Finn, and your idea, Maya, were exactly what we needed." Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.